Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just trying to create a charting scanner, which is one of the SMC concept. But we are not going to what we say. So random dynamic levels, we are not going to predict here. So fixed level, we are going to predict is one of the SMC concept scanner, like find of stop loss and things, something kind of scanners which is already available the data. So that we are going to create here with the 5 days basis in charting. Okay, so like I want to show you how the scanner works. Let me try to find that. So the image of that mostly in charting, so we can't able to create that kind of dynamic levels, maybe a fixed levels, because we have to fix the date range or a candle range, whatever it may be. So we can't create that kind of what we say dynamic scanner. So I'll let you know, explain you what is that. But liquidity graph, that name is a liquidity graph. So after there is a trend and there is a candle which triggers the liquidity, and it triggers the high, and then it is close to the opposite direction, and there is a liquidity graph, or there is a lot of concept like breakup structure, fair value gap, and also changes in the character. That is what a breakup structure BO. Breakup structure and liquidity graph and order block. So order block, which I have already created a scanner, and FUG I have created a scanner. So now liquidity graph. So maybe I'm just trying to do this in a 5 days basis, not to try for dynamic one. So dynamic one means it should be this is the trend. So when the market is moving down and it is a previous, there is no count on the scanner, the candles. So that is what a dynamic, and fixed means we have to fix the range. Even we have a consolidation breakout scanner. So there also we need to have a fixed duration, like 10 candle, 15 candle, 20 candle, whatever the duration. We have to fix that duration initially. Then only the scanner will work. Otherwise, we can't fix it the dynamic levels. Whenever it breaks, we find out the stock. That should not be a possible. So this is what a kind of scanner which I'm just trying to find out. So after five consecutive candles or 5 candles low, where you can see. So this is what the one point. After 5 lows, there may be a low, but that is a reversal in the trend. Market is keep moving down. So after breaking the low, and it should be forming a green color candle or the opposite color candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, sixth day, or comparing in this 4 candle, fifth day, there is a momentum. And that is a liquidity triggers here in the bottom of the 5 days low, and the candle is closed with the positive in color, and after that there is a good move. And one more thing here also, 5 lows and at one, and today also the same pattern, 4 days, and fifth day the low is broken and it is closed. Something 5 days basis, the scanner which based on the SMC concept, but it is not an exact thing. But 5 days basis, I'm just going to create a liquidity one. So I'm just using a charting to find out such a scanner. Okay, so it is a very simple 1 or 2 lines we can complete it. First, we need to back test it and how it works. And if it is working, then we can add some more multiple concepts in this particular logic. So the low must be, we are looking for in downside after the movement. So minimum duration, I'm just looking for a 5 days. So okay, 5 days low and 1 day ago. So what it says, today's low must be the low of this last 5 days. That is what the condition this particular scanner will filter out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last 5 days, this is what the lowest since. So 209.2 and previous one 210. So comparing last 4 5 candles. So this is what the lowest one, and it is also be the green candle which is after forming the continuous 5 days down. Okay, so that is what the logic which I have done. 5 days down, and it must break the low of that particular candle, and it is closed positive. So by using this single line, we do find out such a kind of stock. But if you are looking at many stocks, almost 26 stock which came into this scanner, let me try for some other stocks like Maruti, and that has also be a today's low, and it is a green candle after 5 candles low. So this is what a thing which we are trying to find out. And one more thing, this must be happen in a lower level, but first of all, we complete the scanner and then we can utilize these things in our swing kind of trade also we can possible with this pattern. Okay, so this is what a thing which we have found it out. And one more condition, so we have to add the closing of this particular day should be a green candle greater than, so particular day today should be a green candle. If I'm done this, only 18 stocks. So without this condition, we are filtering out almost 26. By using this condition, some of the stocks may be closed negative. So only 18 stocks. Let me try for Canara Bank. So this one, and today's is low and it was moving good. But here you can see we are using only 5 candles. So that may be this is what a thing which you are finding out. So many stocks is not possible to trade. So one more condition we can add it. Maybe today's close must be greater than previous day high. Yeah, 1 day ago. So we have only, so among 25, 26, we have a very less number of stocks. Let me randomly check for this month of April. There is a first April Indo Hotel at go by this. Let us work. First April. Maybe this is the point. So after 5 candles, the low is broken, and this is closed about the previous candle. Maybe a trend continuation. This is also one more the gap down. Okay, and Indo Hotel. But that is not a concept in total. This is what the day, and after next 2 days it went higher. But this is what the additional condition which you have. But this two lines will help you to find out that 5 candle lower, and it was happening trend reversal. That is the liquidity which is 5 candle low it triggers, and it is closed positive. So that is what this line. And one more idea, when I'm seeing this particular scanner, we should use uh, the low of 1 day ago as our swing logic, which we can use day of 1 day ago, equals will this work? So the low of this particular day, let us work, any stocks will be there, very few number of stocks. Bandhan Bank 1812 and 1812 incur near December. I think this is data. Maybe we to try. So here 1 day ago low must be equals to 2 days ago minimum 20 days low. Is there any stocks? We have some stocks. National Aluminum 43. No. So we should not, this is not working. So 5 days ago low, the day low is equal to this work. Very few number of stocks. Maybe 10 days. If you, I think this was not working. So by using this particular 5 days low, and the fifth day should be the lowest since last 5 candles, and then it closed positive. That would be the logic by using the scanner. So you should find out. So I will save this and we are not adding. So, but lot of stocks, you should add some more filters to find out, and that would be helping you to more powerful in this scanner. So Bharat Forge today in this one. So 5 candles low today and it is closed. It's a green candle. So maybe the reversal from the stocks we can expect, and BPCL also. BPCL is the top one, and after 5 candles consider low, and today is the new low, and but it is closed above the even it may be forming a breakup structure. So that is what I'm saying, a breakup structure. It is not countless candle, but if you are using charting, so we should be fixing the number of candles. I hope you understood the concept and the scanner, how it is works. So based by using the follow the steps, you can also create this such a kind of scanner. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.